The Congress is trying a new way to reach out to Gen Z by bringing in rappers for its Chhatron Ki Goonj student outreach campaign. In Kota, the party had roped in rapper Lashkari, aka Vinayak Lashkari from Indore. In Dehradun, it was a double act, rappers Karma and Dakat, both local to the city, real names Vivek Arora and Saurav Singh Rawat. For Prayagraj, the party has brought in MC Altaf from Mumbai's Dharavi, whose real name is Altaf Sheikh. For the Pune leg, it's playback singer Aziz Kaur alongside rapper Sania MQ, who hails from Mumbai's Govandi. The idea seems simple. If you want the youth to stay tuned in, bring the voices they already listen to. Anand Singh joins us for more details on this story. Anand, take us through the strategy of the Congress party for getting in rappers and popular musicians for their Chhatron Ki Goonj program.
Indeed, Uday, look, the way in which leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, has been connecting with the Gen Z, especially the students who are preparing for NET, UG or for the IIT engineering exams or any competitive exams related to government jobs. So Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party knows very well that if they need to connect with the youth, with the Gen Z, then they need to speak in their language, and it is reason why the party has decided to rope in several of the famed rappers from across the country for its Chhatron Ki Goonj program that has been taking place in several cities for the past 2 months. During the first program of Rahul Gandhi in Rajasthan's Kota, we have seen that how the Congress party had brought rapper Lashkari, who is from Indore, and there we have seen that how several of the Gen Z students they were tapping on the numbers that was being played from the stage, where Rahul Gandhi also roped in several of the students discussing their issues. Then just a month later, after June 17, on July 17, when Rahul Gandhi reached Uttarakhand's Dehradun, then we saw that how Congress party also brought up rappers like Karma and Dakat on the stage to connect with the youth, as these are the rappers, as the rap culture is so much active among the Gen Z. The party doesn't want to leave any stone unturned to get connected with them, and it was reason why that with Rahul Gandhi is speaking in a very serious note, highlighting several of the issues that the families, the students have to feel pressure from their families as well as from the examination pressure they have to deal with. So the Congress party decided to bring in the rappers so that with the serious talks going on the stage, Rahul Gandhi can connect with those Gen Z students through music also. Then similar situation was witnessed in Uttar Pradesh, Prayagraj, where the Congress party roped in MC Altaf from Dharavi, one of the largest Asian India's largest slums in Mumbai, and from Altaf Sheikh, who is also popularly known as MC Altaf, we saw that how he connected with the masses as in Prayagraj. It was the maximum crowd that the Congress party had gathered due to the rappers who were present on stage with him. But now, when the fourth installment of Chhatron Ki Goonj all set to take place in Pune with a special focus on women and to highlight the girls' power, the Congress party has this time decided to include a playback singer, that is Ashish Kaur, as well as rapper Sania
Yes.
MQ. So the party is planning to connect with the masses, and it
But you know, then the big
not
question, Anand, are the students coming because of the cause, or are they coming because of a concert?
Look, Uday, if we talk about the cause, then similar event was organized in Dehradun, as Congress party has alleged that BJP had brought in a famous rapper just a few hundred meters away from the venue of Rahul Gandhi, but yet a student didn't turn up for that event, and instead they decided to join Rahul Gandhi's program when it was raining heavily over there. And similar scene was witnessed in Prayagraj also, where the permission was first not given, and then the sewage water was also put out there. So the Congress party said that despite all the misarrangement, despite all the hurdles that were put in by the government, the students who know that Rahul Gandhi has been raising their issue, they were coming for him. And similar is the thing here in Pune, with the Congress party saying that as this matter relates with the student, and Pune being one of the major hub of education in Western India, as a number of students from across the country come here to prepare for medical, engineering, BSc Biotech and several other courses. It is a major hub for them in the Western India, and thus the party decided to rope in two people, one the playback singer,
Right.
and another the rapper, as there is a lot of rap culture among the Gen Z, so the party wants to connect with them.
All right, Anand, thank you for joining us. Now, Cochin Airport has issued a scathing statement against SpiceJet. Cochin Airport